A coven is a gathering or community of witches or practitioners of magic, typically organized for ritual work, spellcasting, and shared spiritual growth. Traditionally, covens are composed of 13 members, though this number can vary, and they are often led by a high priestess or high priest, depending on the tradition. The term coven gained prominence in the context of witchcraft, particularly in Wicca and other forms of modern paganism, though the idea of a collective group working together for spiritual purposes exists across many esoteric traditions. Symbolism of a coven. At its core, a coven symbolizes the bonding of minds and souls who share the same spiritual ideology or path. Members come together to support each other's growth, pool their knowledge, and amplify their magical energy through unity. This group dynamically allows for a more potent and focused approach to ritual and spellcasting, as the collective energy is seen as greater than the sum of individual efforts. Unity in diversity. Covens are often seen as diverse groups, where each person brings their own strengths, talents, and wisdom. This diversity enriches the shared experiences, fostering a sense of balance and wholeness. Safety and trust. A coven creates a safe and sacred space for spiritual exploration. Members trust each other with their vulnerabilities and work in harmony towards common goals. It is a spiritual family where the bond goes beyond ordinary social connections to one rooted in mutual respect for the craft and the spiritual path. Connection to ancient traditions. Covens also serve as a symbolic link to ancient practices of group magic and mysticism, drawing from deep traditions where communities would gather to honor deities, celebrate natural cycles, and manifest collective intentions. Shared rituals. Whether celebrating Sabbats, seasonal festivals, Esbats, lunar rituals, or conducting specific magical work, a coven's strength lies in its members being aligned in purpose. This shared focus creates an energy vortex where spiritual work can be more effective. In essence, a coven represents more than just a group of practitioners. It is a community of like-minded individuals who join forces to grow spiritually, bond through shared ideology, and support each other in magical and everyday life.